Hello, this is Laura Duncan from CSMS. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am an A&M graduate. I have two children, one also in 8th grade and one in high school, and I've been married for 25 years. If you need to contact me, my email is located there, lduncan@csisd.org. You can also message me on Schoology. There are several ways that I want to support you and your children this year. One way is by offering some organizational support, homework, tutorials, tests, Schoology, Home Access Center, and if you have any questions, we can address those during the Zoom meeting. First, let's talk about the organization. This year we're having a math folder where we will organize students. In the front pocket will be Unit 1. After Unit 1, we will recycle most of Unit 1 except for perhaps the notes, and that will be moved to the back pocket. When we begin Unit 2, it will be in the front pocket because students have to organize notes, bell work, assignments, and also things like the formula chart. Those will be located in the brads when we get to that. Students and parents also can get a lot of homework help this year. We have a lot of supports available to you. So students will complete the assignment at home and then they'll be able to check the assignment on Schoology. The key is on Schoology. They'll use a red or colored pen to check. If they make corrections in red pen, then they will be able to receive a 100 on their homework, but they must show their work. The work is not always shown on homework. Now, since we are offering the full key, of course, we expect students to show all their work. I want to support you by tutorials. So I offer tutorials Monday through Friday morning and Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoons. This is a pre-AP Algebra 1 class, and because of that, there will be no extra time given for tests, and there will be no test corrections offered. Students must maintain an average of above 74 for each 6 weeks. And that brings me to the average or the GPA. Students in a pre-AP class do get graded off of a 5-point GPA instead of a 4-point GPA. So if they make an 84, it will be averaged in their GPA as if it were a 94. So keep that in mind as you're making decisions about whether to stay in the pre-AP class or not. When we're looking at Schoology resources, I want you to know that there are a lot of materials out there. You'll look in the materials section, and in each week, each day actually, you'll see a video made for the lesson, notes, the notes key, the assignment, and the assignment key. So students who are absent will have a lot of resources there to catch up. Students who are present should be accessing this folder each day to check their assignment before the next class period. Also, students can message me. This offers a safe way to message teachers. It's better than using the email because all of this will be recorded. Please remember that Home Access Center is a way for me to communicate students' achievement to you. You can use the following link and it will offer you a way to check the most current grade by each class. You can also check their IPR and their report card. One last thing before you go. There are calculators available to download on Android and iPhones. For Android, you can download something called Wabbit-Emu. So search Wabbit-Emu and then you can download it onto your desktop or Android phone. For the iPhone, this one is a good one, Calculate 84. While none of these are perfect, they are better than nothing, so I hope that you will be able to download them onto your Android or iPhone. Please contact me with questions via Schoology or during the Zoom, or you can email me. Thank you and have a good night.